Bird Haemorhous Purpureus, the mother of nature. Bird Haemorhous Purpureus, the mother of nature. These red-feathered birds are common in the northeastern, Canadian and Pacific coasts. Due to migratory characteristics, Haemorhous Purpureus has no permanent habitat. Common name, Haemorhous Purpureus. Scientific name, Haemorhous Purpureus. Class, bird size, length about 0.2 meters. Category, shape, characteristics, behavior. Different species, similar species. The Song of Haemorhous Purpureus. Species, distribution and quantity. Albums, video. Shape, characteristics. Haemorhous Purpureus has a small and long tail. The color of the male's coat is mainly red, with the first part being the brightest. The wings of Haemorhous Purpureus are brown with a bit of pink. Pink eyebrows with red cheeks. The lower part of the abdomen is white with different colored patches. This species has a fairly large beak, cone and straight nose. The Haemorhous Purpureus has a white lower abdomen, dark brown on the abdomen. Top of the head are white and brown spots intermingled. Behavior. Haemorhous Purpureus mainly feeds on conifers, elms, tulips, hardwood, and some other plants. In addition, they also eat sprouts, nectar, berries and fruits, including trace sticky rice, honeysuckle, poison ivy, sea urchin, juniper, cherry and apricot. In winter, you can see Haemorhous Purpureus eating seeds of lowland trees such as dandelion, seaweed. They also eat insects such as aphids, caterpillars, locusts, and beetles. Haemorhous Purpureus usually builds nests on branches of conifers or deciduous trees such as oak, maple, and cherry. Sometimes, they nest in the bushes or between the branches. The nest of this species is located about 0.8 to 18 meters above the ground and fills in dense canopies for easy access. This species takes 3 to 8 days to build a nest. The nest construction is done by the bird. They start by gathering branches, logs and roots to form their nests and then wrap them around with fine grass and animal hair. Different species. The color of Haemorhous Purpureus varies depending on where they live. They are divided into the two most representative species, one that resides in the northeast and forests in southern Canada. The males of this species have longer wings and the colors are brighter. The female has a head and the lower part of the body is white. The second Haemorhous Purpureus comes from the Pacific coast, which has a brown back and sides. The back of the bird has different colored patches. Similar species. The males and females of this species have a similar shape to their brother named Haemorhous cassina. Because Haemorhous cassina are common in the West, these two species are often confused. Male Haemorhous cassina is lighter in color, especially in the lower body and eyebrows. The Song of Haemorhous Purpureus. The Song of Haemorhous Purpureus sounds like a song, holy and noble. Songs of each species are slightly different. Haemorhous cassina has a lot of singing and a lower voice of Haemorhous Purpureus. Species distribution and quantity. This species is quite common and there is still no decline in number of species. They live in coniferous forests, forests in the east, north, and coniferous forests, oak forests in the west. In winter, Haemorhous Purpureus migrates south to places with lower latitudes. Occasionally, when migrating, this species will also encounter other bird species on its way to South America.